6 things humble people do to get ahead at work. When you think of humility, do you think of job success? You should. In fact, studies have shown humility is the number one trait of CEOs. You better believe humility is one of those traits your bosses are looking for when it comes time for your annual review. So where do you begin? Let's examine 6 things humble people do to get ahead at work. Learn how to take a compliment. The biggest mistake people make in thinking about humility is that they need to brush off compliments. This is the furthest thing from the truth. The humble person thanks the person for their fine words, but also acts inclusively of the other members on the team. For example, you might say, "Thank you, but I couldn't have done it without." Learn how to contribute in a positive way. There's more to presenting an idea than just sharing your knowledge. The humble person, again, thinks of others. When offering up an opinion, always acknowledge somehow what the person before you just said. Blank brought up an important point. How about we... Ask questions. Anytime you ask a question, you're acting as an active participant in the conversation. This also encourages other people to talk and share their knowledge. Show common courtesy. When you treat everyone you meet with kindness and compassion, you show the world your humility. Ideally, you should exhibit the same courtesy you would show the CEO to any fellow employee, whether manager, coworker, or janitor. Resist one-upmanship. Nothing is worse than getting caught into a bragging match at work. The nice thing about being humble, you don't need to get involved. Let others try to outdo one another. The humble person lets their work speak for itself. Seek out feedback. The humble person recognizes they have flaws and are willing to work to improve themselves. Asking for feedback tells the powers that be you're eager to learn. The key here, don't forget to act on this information once you have it. Humility at work should ideally become second nature. Pay attention to your actions, but also pay attention to your reactions. By being mindful and practicing these 6 items, you'll find your work life makes a dramatic shift for the better. The surest way to make this happen? Give it time and, as always, be consistent in what you do.